Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Maxima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, dual exhaust, outside temperature gauge, rear window defroster, intermittent wipers. Inside you'll find backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, climate control, cloth upholstery. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.